Welcome to Quizzy Spree. Quiz 1. What important liquid do plants help store and filter in the environment? Water. Quiz 2. Which plant is used to make chocolate? Cocoa plant. Quiz 3. What process do plants use to make their own food? Photosynthesis. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so for more daily quiz. Quiz 4. What gas do plants release that humans need to breathe? Oxygen. Quiz 5. What do plants help prevent by holding soil in place with their roots? Soil erosion. Comment your score.